Morning student, today we are going to solve a new case of goodwill when new partner is going to bring goodwill in the form of cash and old partner is going to withdraw. Okay, so it is a situation I already told that X and Y are partner in the profit sharing ratio, that 2:3. On the 1st April 2019, they admit Z into the firm for 1/4 share of profit. Z brings capital of rupees 1 lakh and goodwill 36,000. Their new profit sharing ratio is 3:3:2. So we have to, what is the new situation today? New topic is that X and Y withdraw the money of premium for goodwill. It is our case. It is our situation. Today I am going to give a new journal entry for how to pass new journal entry for withdrawal of money from premium goodwill. So my dear student, first we have to calculate working note. Why working note? Working note means we are going to calculate working note of sacrificing ratio. We have to calculate sacrificing ratio of X and Y. X sacrifice ratio is 2/5 and 3/5 minus 3/11, 3/8, 3/8. Just reduce 8. What is the value? The value of is that 1/40, 1/40 and 9/40. Okay, that is 9/40. You have to write 9/40. This is the sacrificing ratio. You have already obtained 1:9. So whatever the goodwill he bought by, that is 36,000 rupees. You have to calculate 36,000 going to be distributed in 1/10 for X and Y 36,000 into 9/10, which is equal to 36,000 and it is 32,400. It is the distribution of goodwill in the sacrificing ratio. My dear student, it is very simple question here. I am going to solve. Let's see. First you have to draw the format of journal. Okay, every time you have to use this ruler for drawing the format. Okay, just put it here. Date, particular, debit, credit. Okay, this is the format you have to show here. Format of the journal, particular. Every time you use the format because format is already carry the marks. So you write down date, particular, debit, credit. That is here. The first journal entry, that cash account, you have to put it here, date 1st April 2019. Cash account debited to Z's capital account to premium for goodwill. Okay, premium for goodwill, that cash is given how much? 1 lakh rupees. 36,000, 1,36,000. You have to put this one later on. You put it here, 1 lakh capital, which is credited to the partner's capital account, and 36,000 is premium for goodwill. You will write this one, 1,36,000. Okay. The second one, that the same day, the 1st April 2019, the premium for goodwill is going to transfer in partner's capital account of X and Y in 36,000 and 32,400. So you have to pass journal entry premium for goodwill account debit, that is 36,000 to X capital account to Y's capital account. So X capital 36,000, Y capital 32,400. Next entry is that both of them are going to withdraw the money. Withdraw means they are going to, here mentioned that goodwill is going to withdraw. So X and Y, X capital account debited, Y capital account debited to cash account. Both of them are going to withdraw 32,400 and the total amount is 36,000. So you put it here narration that goodwill withdraw by sacrificing partner. This is the solution. The same date 1st April 2019. My dear student, you put it the narration also. So once we have to recall this one. Okay. You just see in this situation X and Y are partner. Okay. And Z is going to bring a goodwill and capital 1 lakh and 36,000 as a goodwill. So I record here 1 lakh as a capital and 36,000 as a premium for goodwill. It is here written, it is here written. So both the amount is going to be add 1,36,000 is plus that cash comes in your firm. So next entry is that distribution of 36,000 rupees among the partner. Who is the partner? X and Y in this ratio 1:9. That is 36,000 and 32,000. It is also mentioned here. Again, that is the situation that withdraw. What is the withdraw here means that both of the partner are going to withdraw the premium for goodwill, whatever they have got. Here it is mentioned that, okay, this is the situation, my dear student, when there is nothing is mentioned in the question, you may have to assume that retained. But in the question it is mentioned that they withdraw the money, you have to do this journal entry at the end. Okay, thank you.